What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon. I come at you guys with a brand new video. Today, we're talking about the car. Now this is the next day after the problem started and everything. I just wanted to make a proper intro because I feel like I didn't do that last time. From everything that you guys might have seen, oh what the heck? Everything you guys seen was what happened last night. After that, I pretty much just came home and what you guys are about to see is what happened to the car. I'm gonna try to explain it a little bit better as best as I can, but it was really random. So as you guys know, the 10th gen transmissions in the SIs are not the greatest transmissions. They're not well built from Honda. So my transmission, as what it seems, may have just given out. I don't know too much yet. We're still looking into it. I gotta take it to a shop and they're gonna take a look at it. I kind of want to take these side shirts off just so that it's easy for them to jack it up. But yeah, can you hop in it and then hop in it, turn the car off, put the brake down, or vice versa? Roll it back. Let it go, let it go. Okay, stop. I'll push it back up. So yeah, car, something's wrong with it. It's most likely the transmission from what everyone's telling me, and I wish it wasn't, but yeah, I'm gonna play everything for you guys just so you guys can make a little bit sense. So let's skip to that part.
Okay, let me just get my keys. I don't know where my keys are. Nancy to the rescue. Brandon said something's wrong with this car, and I'm on the rescue. To the rescue. Let's go. Where's my car? What the fuck? Which way did you go, babe?
I'm on the left side.
I know, but down Heil or down?
I don't know if I hit something and it fucking shot.
I'll call you. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Where are you, babe? Turn on my hazard.
You recording?
Yeah.
So I don't know what happened. Did you see anything like in the middle of the road?
No.
So I thought last second I seen something, and I just heard boom. And I'm like, oh fuck! So I started slowing down. The problem started getting slower. Car starts up fine, from what I can kind of see. I don't see any liquids on the bottom. Such a nightmare. I don't see anything that's too obvious. I mean, that's just taking a brief look at it. I don't see any oil, anything going through the motor, which is good. No, not even when I red wash when I take off. Fuck, I'm gonna pull it up forward. I think I can. Huh? No. Here, you look like.
That sounds bad.
You hear that? Did you hear it? So not motor.
Okay, now we think that he blew his trans.
Could coolant mess with trans?
It doesn't sound like it does it with the RPM. It sounds does it like with the car rolling.
Yeah.
The faster you roll it out right
How does it just turn you on? Alright.
It sounds like it's louder the faster the car rolls. That's kind of like the sound of the transmission from my experience when the gear rolls.
Fuck. Okay. Well, I'll keep you updated. What should I do? I can't. I don't know if I can get a tow to E-Man. Alright, later.
What the? Oh my god.
Don't scare me like that.
I thought it was a squirrel.
Let's take it back home. Take it to your house and you can take me home.
Yeah.
Well, either blown tranny from what it sounds like to Alex. Thumbnails. That fucking sucks. That blows. Just slam it.
I don't want to squirrel. That's what
No, that's from sitting on it. Alright, so back to your house.
you're behind you. Just
As if things can get any fucking better, huh? I wanted to end all the sad news with some positive news. It's almost Christmas. It's almost Christmas. So, as far as we know, the transmission shot. I talked to a lot of people. A lot of people are going through the same issue. My hair part looks like a mess right now. I don't know where my hat's at. Y'all gonna have to deal with it. Y'all gonna have to deal with this sexiness. Talked to a lot of people, and the tranny is more than likely blown. It kind of happened a little random. I didn't explain it in the video at all. I was just driving down the street regularly, and I just heard a random pop, and that's when the ticking sound came on, and it sucks. Sucks that we're in this predicament, but you know what? Another setback is another comeback. So we're gonna try to get this tranny in soon, hopefully. Talk to my guys, and we're gonna get it done for you guys, or we're gonna get the car done. So just stay tuned for that. We're getting a new transmission in. It's not gonna be anything crazy, just because I just need something in the car now so I can drive it. But at this point, I did talk about getting like a Subaru, I think. Talking about getting another car, trading the car in, but I think I'm gonna keep this car. We made it this far, so I feel like just keep going and make the most out of it. I hope you guys take along for the journey. It's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be a crazy one. Just looking into some things that we can do with the car to make it a little bit faster, more fun, better looking. The W2 turbo's coming out soon, so who knows? Might get a W2 turbo. People also on Instagram are asking me about the head gasket issue. We're also gonna look into that when the car's in the shop, but I feel like that's another issue that we're gonna be having as well. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of a nightmare right now, but I know we're gonna get through it. We're gonna get past it and get over it. If you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. There's still 70%, baby.
Yes.
There's still 70% of these people that watch my videos that do not subscribe.
The audacity.
Right?
The audacity.
What do we say to them?
Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell button. I don't know. What do we say to them?
I don't know. Just
That's
hit that
what I
down
say to
subscribe
them.
button. But yeah, just hang tight. The car's gonna be sitting for a little bit, but hopefully we can get the trans in so we can get some more videos going. So I don't know. Well, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. This is a new journey, something I wasn't expecting, obviously, but you know, I guess that makes for a YouTuber's life. Just things are unexpected. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully the next video is going to be really putting the tranny in, but we'll see how it all goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. See you guys next time. Dab. Peace.